Ever considered harnessing the power of nature for your housework needs? Discover how pine needles from the garden make a fantastic natural floor cleaner with their fresh aroma and antimicrobial properties. Use crushed lavender flowers for a fragrant and effective room deodorizer, perfect for keeping spaces refreshed. Did you know banana peels can shine your leather shoes, imparting a smooth finish while being eco-friendly? And for stubborn stains on your patio, try using crushed sandstone as a gentle yet effective scouring agent. These natural hacks leverage easily accessible garden elements and contribute to a sustainable and efficient household environment.